now to use how to get your entries on the TDI, right? So how do you know the market direction using the TDI, right? So first of all, if you see the green line over here, the green, especially the green, but both the green and the red mainly, but the green, if it's below the black moving average over here, below this black over here, you know that the market is in a downtrend, right? But that's not very accurate because from time to time the market escapes a little bit from the black moving average, but still continues going down, right? So whenever this green moving average is below the level 50, know that it's a downtrend, right? It's below the level 50, right? That's one. And then whichever direction this MBA over here, this black moving average is pointing, is the downtrend. It's it's the trend, right? So if it's pointing down, know that it's a downtrend. If it's pointing up, know that it's an uptrend, right? But wherever the green line, if the green line is below this black moving average, it's a downtrend. The green line is above the black moving average, it's an uptrend, right? So it's a little bit more complicated and you need to get used to it before you start using it. Then for your entries over here, we're going to be entering when the market pulls back to the 50 moving average. We want to see that the green line over here also pulls back to nearer to the 50 level over here. And when you get that crossover here, right, we take our entries, right? So as I was saying, let's take this for example over here. This over here, the market was in a downtrend, right? Pulls back 50 moving average and 50 level over here. So we take that entry. Right? So right over here, what we see over here is right over here, the market was below the MBA over here. And so when a downtrend, market pulls back to the 50 moving average and the 50 level over here, we take that entry, right? And then market goes above the black MBA over here, right? But unlike this over here, the market doesn't come back straight, right? It goes above, right? Comes back for a retest over here, retesting this MBA over here. But when it tests that MBA, giving us a small shark fee, right? When it crosses over for a buy, that's when we take our buying opportunities. But we don't take a buy in this case because it's another topic for another day. Because the moving averages have crossed for a sell over here, so we won't take that entry. But that's how we use it, right? Then when the moving averages again cross for a buy over here, right? Wait for the market pull back to the 50 moving average, right? And it's also around the level around the level 50 over here. So when it crosses over and it crosses above this black moving average over here, we take our entry, right? We are guaranteed that it's going to buy.